right? So the brake fluid reservoir is located here at the back of the engine compartment on the driver's side. And we have some markings here. One is down here saying the minimum and one up here saying the max. And so you're gonna look at those two locations for the min and the max, and you're gonna see if your fluid is within the range. Fluid's generally very clear and hard to see sometimes, so you kind of just shake it a little bit and you can see that this is right there at the max level. So this is full. But in the case of if you need to add brake fluid, you go ahead and remove this cap, put in the brake fluid, and the brake fluid that's recommended by your vehicle manufacturers or not. And this says DOT 4+. And they also recommend that you would add brake fluid from a sealed container, a never opened sealed container that prevents moisture from being put into the brake fluid, and moisture isn't good to have in your brake lines. So that is how you would add brake fluid to your vehicle in the case the need that you would need to. Thanks for watching.